if you're a B2B business or you're a service-based business and you're not currently implementing Facebook ads to generate leads on autopilot by inputting X and generating Y consistently, there's something wrong with you. But I'm here to save you, so check it out. First thing first, go to Facebook Ads Manager, create your account, connect it, and press on create. Since we're looking for leads, we don't need no awareness, traffic engagement, or promotional sales. Don't make this mistake. Don't think driving traffic to your website will convert them into leads. Tell Facebook you need leads, Facebook will give you leads. Always like to keep my campaign on manual, so press on manual, continue. Now you'll come up in this screen where the first one is the ad campaign. You can name it however you like it. Let's say list, for example. Then it's gonna go to the ad set, then it's gonna go to the ad level. It's like a folder inside a folder inside a folder. If your business is involved in any of these, which is financial services, employment, housing, or social issues, you need to declare it as any of these. If not, your ad will be flagged and removed from Facebook. Once you get to this screen, this is the ad set level. So the name in this case, I put Miami, Florida, assuming you're looking for leads in Miami. But if you want to target multiple cities, you just duplicate it in here and then name it, let's say Miami, then Dallas, then Springfield. Then when you get to the conversion location, Instant Form is simple and easy if you're a new beginner and you don't really know much about targeting or Facebook in general. If you're more advanced, you're gonna send it to a website, which is a landing page, which is highly convertible. This is gonna give you leads for cheap, but this one is gonna give you better quality of leads. Then it depends on you. Do you want the quality or do you want the quantity? Now we're scrolling down on the same page, we get to the budget. A decent budget advice is between $10 to $20 per day. Then always make a start on the following day at midnight. This is gonna ensure that Facebook is gonna distribute your budgeting accordingly, not gonna mess it up and mess up your targeting. As you remember, this ad says for Miami, Florida. So then we scroll down all the way to location, select Miami, Florida. Here you got the opportunity to increase the range or decrease the range depending on where exactly you want to pinpoint your ad to be shown. After you press next, you will end up on the ad level. So this is where you can input the images or videos or whatever you want for people to see. So select single image and video, which is very simple. Then select add image. It's going to ask you to put a primary text and headline. If you scroll next, you're going to go to the videos and media. If you scroll slightly down, you'll end up on the instant form. As you remember, we picked instant form because it's much easier if you're a beginner, and sending it to a landing page is more advanced and it's a topic for another day. If you don't know how to create one, you can just use a template or create one from scratch. Now let's go back to creating your text. This is, you can find it just here. So close it. Whenever you input in an image, it's going to ask you first to put your text, then the media, then crop and enhance. So here's going to put your primary text. Don't really need the headline in the description. And your call to action. Call to action, I always like to keep you on learn more. Very simple, it's not too invasive for people. If you don't know how to create your copy, the best advice I can give you is go to Facebook ad library, then put whatever you want to do. So let's say sell your home, and then just copy what people are doing. Obviously, don't just simply copy and paste it, but elaborate on it. Simplest way to do, just input on ChatGPT and tell him this is what I want to do. This is an example, just reframe and make it adaptable for my business. Once you do everything, you got your form created, you got your images, you got your text, you got your call to action done. All you gotta do is just press publish. Having a system that's able to generate a predictable flow of clients every single month is what separates the winners from the losers.